Hello, and this is Linda Sessions, and I'm going to be doing the PowerPoint Chapter 1 project with SAMS. So I'm going to come over here to the PowerPoint module, and I'm going to arrow down here to PowerPoint Chapter 1 SAM project. So the first thing I need to do is download the instructions. Well, the first thing I have to do is get into the course here, so I'm going to go to my course. So I'm going to say OK. And right here is my instructions. So I'm going to click on this file to open the instructions. Then I'm going to click on this file down here to get my start files, which are showing up right down here. And then I'm also going to download the support ruler. Okay. I'm going to open up my PowerPoint project. The very first thing I'm asked to do is to save the file with a new name. So I'm going to come up here to the File tab and Save As. I'm just going to save mine on my desktop here. And I'm going to change this 1 to a 2 and save. Okay, so now next thing I need to do is apply the theme organic to the presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the Design tab here and click on it. And I'm going to find the organic theme and click on that to select it. Then it says on slide 1, change the subtitle font color to orange. And this bottom one here is our subtitle font. So I'm going to highlight that so that PowerPoint knows what I want to recolor. And I'm going to click on the font color here, come over to the orange, and I want orange accent 5 darker 25%. And now I want to change the font size to 60. Click to deselect it. Now on slide 2, I need to add some text. So I'm going to click on slide 2 right over here where it says text. I'm going to click on there and I'm going to type in the text from my instruction document. Make sure you're typing your words correctly. I've got all that typed in here. And now I want to insert an online picture in our content placeholder. So I'm going to come over here, and these little icons right here, this middle one in the bottom is my online pictures. I'm going to click on that. And up here in my search box, I'm going to look for the Windsor Castle illustration. Hit enter. And there's my castle I'm looking for. I'm going to click on Insert. And there we go. If you can't find this picture of the castle, then just do a search for any castle and find something that's similar. Okay, and then make sure you let me know in case it counts off for not having the correct picture. Okay, so now we want to go to slide 3. And I want to resize this image so it's 2.6 inches tall. So I'm going to select that image, come up here to my picture tools and format, and change the height to 2.6. And that moved my graphic off the page, so I need to now move it so that it's on my slide there in the white portion. So I'm going to leave slide 3 display, and now I want to insert a new slide using the section header layout. So I'm going to click here to the Home tab, and here's my new slide, and I'm going to select Section Header. And in my section, the placeholder, I want to type writing fantasy literature. And in the subtitle, that others want to read. That's it. Now it wants me to go to slide 5. And in slide 5, we're supposed to apply the italic font style to the words people are complex. So I'm going to come down here to the second bullet, highlight it, and italicize. We're ready for slide 6. So over here and arrow down so I can see slide 6. Envision the world. So now I'm going to create a multi-level bulleted list. So over here where it says click to add text, and I'm going to enter walk through landscapes, townscapes. Now I want this next one to be a second level bullet, so I'm going to hit my tab key. And the next one's also a second level bullet, so I'm going to leave it right there. And now I need to go back to the first level. So I'm going to come up here to my decrease list level and take that back to number 1 level. Oh, excuse me. Okay, knowledge used. Now I'm ready for a second level bullet. Got all that text in there. Now I want to move slide 6 so that it becomes slide 5. So over here in my navigation pane, I'm just going to click on slide 6 and drag it up until it becomes now slide 5. I also, in my new slide 5, I want to change the slide layout to title and content. So up here in the layout on my home tab, I'm going to change that to title and content. Now I'm ready to go to slide 9. So over here and move down to slide 9. Don't doubt right. And I'm going to bullet list again in here. There's 4 different items. And if you make a mistake, you can just change it. And with slide 9 still displaying, I want to move my clip art to the bottom, right bottom. So I'm just going to click on it and drag it right there. Make it look a little nicer. And I'm going to take this word you in the third one, and I want to bold it and italicize it. Moving on to slide 11, I'm ready to insert that picture that we downloaded. So I come up here to the insert and pictures, and I'm going to come right up here to where it says downloads, and you can see I've actually done it 3 times now. I'm going to click on that picture and insert. We need to change the height to 4 inches. And then we want to position it in the center of the slide. So I'm going to come up here and align, center, and I'm going to go ahead and align middle. Okay. So there's in the center of my slide. I'm going to apply the rotate transition to all of my slides and presentations. So I'm going to go here to transitions, click over here on more options, and find rotate. and I still need to apply to all. Want to go into document properties and make sure that I have the keywords fantasy writing in the title box, and it is. And now I'm going to check the spelling of this presentation. You should have at least 2 here you need to change. So I'm going to change that to create. That one. Didn't like my name being on there. Change this to especially. And those are the 2 I need to check. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm ready to submit it for a grade. So I'm going to come back over here and choose File. I'm going to put mine on my desktop here. Always want to make sure you remember what you named it. I'll look at my times here. This one at 1:52. Click on that and open. And submit. And so now it's reading my file. I've got all 3. Okay. So now I need to go to the reports page to see my grade. So I'm going to come back up here to coursework and click on this computer application class. Go to my course. Your course should go ahead and just submit right away. Let's see, here's the class I'm creating this in, and here's my grade. Let me come down here and open it. I'm going to find the graded summary report on my last slide. And I got 50 out of 50. If you have any questions as you're working on this, please send me an email. And have a great day.